Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Monster Rockin' Roller 4. Now this is a portable indoor-outdoor wireless speaker. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $175. Alright, so let's go through the features real quick. Now this is a 100-watt speaker. Now you're getting 100 hours of battery playback. Now, on the side note, I got the Rockin' Roller 3 and the Rockin' Roller Pro. I can definitely co-sign on the battery life. It's incredible. Now, with my Rockin' Roller Pro, I usually charge it up once a month. Now, the speaker is stackable with the lock-in latch. So what that means is, if you get two of these speakers, you can stack them up together, lock them into place, and that's going to make it easy to carry around. Now, the speaker is IPX4, dust and weather resistant. So you can't submerge it underwater, but if you're outside and you get stuck in the rain or the snow and it gets wet, you're good to go. Now you can connect two of these speakers wirelessly and stream music up to 30 feet apart using TWS. That's True Wireless Sound. We'll test that out. Now you got an app that you can download for Android and iOS, and you can use that app to control a lot of the speaker's features. Now, one of the new changes between this and the Rockin' Roller 3 is now you get a bottle top opener built into the unit. Now, of course, it's Bluetooth, it has NFC, and you get your NOAA radio station built into it. All right, so let's see if there's anything we missed. Okay, NOAA radio station. Okay, here's the app. You can control the lights. Now, here's another difference between this and the Rockin' Roller 3. Y'all remember the lights? Now the lights are RGB. So you can change the colors of the lights. That's a major upgrade. You also got your mic inputs. Looks good. All right, so let me grab a little unboxing knife. We'll pop this open and see what it looks like. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now let me show you everything that you get in the box. You got your usual books and shit. Plug them, file them to the side. You got your stack and lock assembly instructions. All right, so we'll figure that out in a minute. You got a quick start guide. This is going to show you how to set up your true wireless stereo. And you got a little pamphlet with more Monster products. Now here's your stack and lock assembly. Comes with the Allen key and the screws and the actual locking mechanism. You got a 3.5 cable for non-Bluetooth devices. Here's your power cable. And it comes with a microphone. Now it's a decent quality mic. Got your on and off switch, plastic build with the big jack. Now for the speaker itself. As far as the weight, I can easily lift this up with one hand. Can I lift it upside down? No. All right, so it's not the lightest in the world, but not the heaviest. Beautiful, rugged build construction on this. All plastic with rubberized parts. On the top handle, got your Monster branding with a nice rubber grip. All right, so you're going to enjoy carrying this around. Here's your antenna. Now, this is a big step up from the Rockin' Roller 3 with the old school metal antenna. Now you got a nice looking antenna. All right, so let's go through some of the inputs. Now you got two mic inputs. One is a mic / guitar, and the other one is just a mic. You got your gain controls and your echo controls for both individual mics. You got two USB outs, 5 volts, 2.1 amps. This way you can charge up your camera, charge up your phones, your tablet, whatever you got on deck. Here's your source button, your different controls play forward and reverse when you're skipping through your radio stations. There's your TWS, True Wireless Sound. Source button, that's how you're going to switch between Bluetooth, radio, and your NOAA radio stations. You got presets 1 through 5. Here's your light switch. All right, that's going to activate these RGB lights on the side. You got auxiliary in for non-Bluetooth devices, and you got line out, headphone jack. This is an actual display. We'll turn that on in a second with your volume knob. Now on one side, here's your power button, so let's turn that on. Let's see if we got voice prompts.
Bluetooth bearing.
Okay, so you do got voice prompts. You got your battery level indicator right here, so we press that button. It's on 3, so you got maximum battery. When it gets to red, it'll be low. Now here's your AC outlet. Now I gotta be clear with this. To use the AC outlet, the speaker has to be plugged into the wall. So once you plug it into the wall, then you can use the AC outlet. If you take this to the beach, you won't be able to plug in the blender and make your margaritas on the beach. It has to be plugged into the wall. Here's your input. That's how you're going to charge up the actual speaker. On the back, nice Monster logo. There's your bottle top opener with the red color around it so you can't miss it. On the top, you got a telescoping handle. And on the bottom, you got wheels. Now these wheels are high quality. Trust me when I tell you, I've been rolling around the 3 and the Pro forever. They don't break. On the other side, you got this nice waterproof pouch. This is the perfect place to store your cables or your microphone or whatever other paraphernalia you got on deck. Now you see, we just turned it on, so there's your display. So let's go through some of the sources real quick.
Oxen.
That's auxiliary. Let's get some volume on this.
FM radio.
FM radio.
AM radio.
AM radio. 10 wins.
NOAA radio.
And that's your NOAA radio station.
Bluetooth.
Back to Bluetooth. Now for the NOAA radio station, you really got to be outside for that to work. Let's hit the light button. Now I don't know if y'all can see that, but you see got 3 different levels of intensity for the lights on the side. That's maximum intensity. Now I'm going to download the app and we'll change the colors because you know we can't rock the white if we got RGB on deck. But overall, the build quality in this is a little bit smaller. Let me grab a Rock and Roller 3 just so I'll put them side by side. Okay, here's the Rock and Roller 3. Now if you notice, let me move them side by side. I don't know if y'all can see that. But if you notice, the Rock and Roller 4 is a little bit shorter. Let's do it like this. All right, Rock and Roller 3 is a little bit bigger than the Rock and Roller 4. And this one just looks better. You got the red trim, plus you got the app functionality. Now you can control the RGB lights. You got the built-in bottle top opener. Let me show you that ugly antenna I was telling you about. You see that old school metal antenna? You don't need that. All right, you want the modern one. All right, so let me pause the video real quick. Let me grab a phone. We'll pair this up and we'll do a little sound test. Then we'll connect 2 of them together using the TWS and see how they sound. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, one more thing. Now, while I'm playing the music, I'm going to test out the USB out, the AC out, and we'll play with the mic. Here we go. DJ Jaws back in the building. World of Easy. Switch it up. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major, major, major go. Now, I've been rocking the Monster Rock and Rollers since day one. Never had any problems with these. One of the best features about this is the battery life. 100 hours, even at max volume, you're looking at 75, 80 hours. The bottom line is you're only going to have to charge this up once a week. Nice rugged build quality on this. You're going to love this handle on the top. You got the wheels, you got the handle, RGB lights, AM, FM radio, mic inputs with the echo chamber. What more do you want? Now, I know what you're saying. If this sounds pretty good like this, how do two of them sound together? Let's find out. All right, so let me show you how to stack these up and lock them into place. Now, you're just going to assemble the stacking locks that came with it. They screw right in. Grab your second speaker. Just going to put it right on the top. Grab this handle. Lock it right into place. The speakers ain't going anywhere. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. Now, you got a nice, rugged, weatherproof design. You get 2 mic inputs, a guitar input, 2 USB inputs. You got an AC input when connected to power. You get AM, FM radio, NOAA radio. You get 100 hours worth of battery life. You got your RGB lights that you can control using the app. That sets the mood. You got a telescoping handle with wheels. And one of my favorite features, you can pair 2 of these up together using the true wireless technology. Now, on a side note, the locking mechanism, that might be the best feature. Now, I was kind of sleeping on it, but once you stack these up and lock them into place, the speakers ain't going nowhere. It's like carrying around a piece of luggage. So that's going to make it so much easier if you want to take 2 speakers with you to the beach or your party or whatever you're doing. So anyway, this is the Monster Rock and Roller 4. Like I said, this is a win. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.